Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create an Elementor template kit. First, let's define what a template kit is: a collection of pre-designed Elementor templates, global styles, and settings. These kits allow users to quickly import a complete website design or specific sections. We will cover planning, building, and exporting your custom kit, ensuring it is user-friendly and efficient. This guide will help you streamline your design workflow significantly. Before diving into Elementor, meticulous planning is crucial for a successful template kit. Begin by outlining all necessary templates, such as headers, footers, single posts, and archive pages. Establish a consistent design language by defining global colors, using a palette of 5 to 7 colors, and selecting 2 to 3 complementary fonts. This foundational work ensures a cohesive and professional appearance across your entire kit. Now, let's build your templates directly within Elementor. Design each component, like a hero section or a contact form, as a separate template. Utilize Elementor's global settings to apply your predefined colors and fonts, ensuring uniformity. Save each completed design to your Elementor library, giving them clear, descriptive names. This systematic approach makes managing and updating your kit much simpler. The final step is exporting your meticulously crafted Elementor template kit. Navigate to Elementor's Tools menu and select Export Kit. Choose all the templates, global styles, and site settings you wish to include in your package. With a single click, Elementor will generate a comprehensive JSON file containing your entire kit. This file is ready for distribution, allowing others to easily import your designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.